Start streaming again. Oh, nice, Mark, dude. You got another points. Good, good, good.
Thank you.
Why is this not loading though?
Wait, a gas is most soluble in water and at what condition? It's low temperature and high pressure.
It's non-polar is soluble in like polar, non-polar.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's a thing as
Like
well.
that.
That is. Here, one second. Let me kill
So,
this.
yeah,
Why this is not taking so long.
It matters if it's polar, non-polar, stuff like that.
And a non-polar dissolves in ionic?
Non-polar, no. Ionic dissolved in polar.
Polar dissolves in polar.
Yep.
Then what does non-polar dissolve in?
In non-polar.
Ah. It's
Well,
good. It should be back up now. It should be back up. Oh, sorry. Yeah, one sec. I got you. There you go. It's back.
Like salt is non-polar, Philip, which is
what temperature is water most soluble? Okay. Here we go. Here's a nice little graph of this. Okay, cool. Here we go. Solubility curves.
20 celsius.
Ah, okay. So solubility. Ooh, solubility is. It depends on the substance. Jesus, look at this. Look at these curves going fucking everywhere.
Yeah, that's what we. That's
I got curves.
He's like, I got curves.
Oh, that's what we look at.
That's dope.
Wait, hold on. That's like the exact thing that we look at.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. And then the fish on there. I think this might be from our book.
Yeah, it's from our book.
Is it?
Go above.
Lumen's Learnings, Chemistry for Non-Majors, yeah. Okay, this is cool. I learned something today, guys. I didn't know solubility changes for different substances, because this is very interesting. Like, for instance, for ammonium chloride, right, as you go up in temperature, solubility gets better. Grams of solute, right, remember, this is how much powder you can, like, throw in the liquid.
Over 100 grams.
So that gets bigger. But, like, look, for instance, for hydrochloric acid, right? Hydrochloric acid, as the temperature goes up, you can fit less of it in it. Oh. Same thing for ammonia, and same thing for sulfur dioxide.
KON3 has the most like change.
Yeah, this is huge. It was potassium nitrate or something. Yeah, that's cool. All right, so I guess it depends on the substance. I didn't know actually why that curve changes.
Based on like saturated or unsaturated.
The structure of each what's it called element is technically
the structure is different. Yeah, I'm trying to see what the trend is though. Like why is there a trend with this?
Because it depends how much it holds. Like if it's saturated.
Oh, actually, wait. This is the solute. This is the thing you're trying to blend in with it. Sorry. Yes. Okay, this has to be like how much shit you're trying to put into. Is this water? I guess this is water. Is what this is.
Yeah.
Oh, so this isn't telling me about the solubility of water. This is telling me about the solubility of the material. Okay, which is exactly what you were saying. Sorry, is your name Charles, Chucky? Is that your name?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool. That's what Charles was saying. Is that it depends on what you're trying to dissolve in the water, okay? Some substances, whether they're polar or non-polar or whatnot, dissolve better at higher temperatures, and some of them dissolve better at lower temperatures. Which is cool. I actually don't know why that is, but that's something to figure out, I guess. That's cool. Very cool. Raiden, what's that for? That was a math question, dude. Okay, cool. Dun dun dun. Let's go back to Off Stars. Okay, cool. Does anyone else have math, science question? Want to learn something about the world? I don't know.
Where do babies come from?
No.
Nope. That's for another day. That's for another day.
Oh, bro, dude.
I don't know about that one, Chief.
Yeah, I don't know. You need to go talk to your mom about that, dude. I'm not your mom.
Not recommended.
Hey, question.
Yes, what's up, bro?
Gold.
Yes.
What's 2 + 2?
No, dude, that doesn't count as a question.
Baby 2.
Baby 2? 2 + 2 is baby 2?
What's 50,000 times infinity?
Infinity.
It'd just be infinity.
Anything times infinity is infinity. This is actually, no, we can go into this. Yeah, I can make something out of this. Do you guys know what, like,
minus infinity?
Oh, you asked me, like, what is infinity minus infinity? That's a very good question.
Infinity is like every number, right?
Yeah, so well, infinity is like it's a really fucking big number. Okay, so this is cool. These are called like I don't know, shit that happens at infinity. Okay. So, right, you asked me like what is infinity minus infinity? What do you guys think infinity minus infinity is?
It would obviously be
positive
infinite because it would infinitely subtract it.
The infinity minus infinity is infinity.
Wait, I actually have a chemistry question.
I have a question.
Yes.
Dr. Gold, I have a question for you. What is the difference between countable infinity and countable infinity.
I didn't know you could count infinity, honestly, but infinity is
No,
what is it?
because how it goes is countable infinity is 1, 2, 3, 4, and uncountable infinity goes 0.0000, and you don't know when you're stopped because it's infinite. That's how uncountable infinity works.
Okay. You're talking about like infinity can be like a really big number, or like what you're talking about is like infinity is like a bunch of fucking decimals that like I don't know what the end is. Yes, those are two different things. So, the infinity has a bunch of different decimals. That's the thing. Those are irrational numbers like pi and e and like I don't know all the other ones.
ME equals square root.
No, E equals MC squared. That's a physics thing. This is energy.
MC equals square root.
Yeah, no, equals MC squared. Yeah. No, I'm talking about. Have you ever seen like e to the x, right, or like e to the 3 or something like?
Oh yeah. When it's like
This is
it's
another
like
irrational number. This is like 2.71. I don't know something. Yeah, those are not infinite numbers. Those are irrational numbers. Is what we say.
So I have a question. How can like one infinity be larger than another one?
Good,
For
exactly.
example,
No.
there's, like,
That's a good question.
Omega infinity and like absolute
No, that's a good
infinity, which is,
question.
like, the
So
largest infinity.
okay, in this case, infinity minus infinity being infinity is just is speaks to the core of what infinity is, which is that you don't know what infinity is, right? So this could be like infinitely bigger than this infinity, or it could be infinitely smaller than this infinity. So really what this is this is also I think like plus or minus infinity is technically what the word is. Because infinity is not a solid number. It's not a solid concept. Like we don't know actually where it is. So that's why this is this. Also, infinity over infinity is also going to be infinity because you don't know which one's bigger, right? Infinity times infinity is equal to infinity. Infinity plus infinity is also equal to infinity. What's the one thing with infinity that you know is actually equal to something? Does anyone know that?
Infinity
7.
7? No.
0.
Zero,
Zero,
good.
yeah,
Charles,
different.
good. Zero's in there somewhere. What with infinity equals 0?
Wouldn't it? Oh, what do you mean by equal? Because you can do like infinity times 0 and it'd be 0 no matter what.
Sure. Okay. Yo, that is true. Yes. 0 times. Yes, 0 times infinity is 0, as long as this is an official 0. Yeah. This is the one I'm looking for, guys. 1 divided by infinity is always equal to 0. This is the only real thing that you can really say about infinity, is that whenever you divide by infinity, that has to be 0. Okay?
Why is it like a must be 0? It's like what's
Well,
the
because
fastest
you're taking
manner?
any number and you're dividing it by the biggest fucking number in the universe, right? That has to get you
Can't
to
say
0,
that bad word.
right? Yeah. I'm sorry, Cypher. I need to clean my mouth. I need to clean my mouth, dude. I'm
It
sorry.
made me scared.
I'm sorry. You made me scared when you talked about your 7 3/4 inch poop that you took.
You're the one that said that.
Oh, you got owned right there.
He got on, dude. He got it, dude. Anyways, yeah,
Well,
that's.
I've been disconnected from the Discord.
Oh, oopsies. Well, welcome back.
Thing.
Philip, did you have a physics question you wanted to ask real quick? I heard you.
Yeah,
Yes.
what are covalent bonds?
Oh, yeah, dude. Okay.
Because they're on a
Covalent
review.
bond is like an ionic with it's like a non-metal with a metal.
Yeah.
They're on the review guide for the quiz or test. We haven't said anything about
What?
them.
What? Yeah, of course, dude. What? You've been doing bonds and stuff, but you haven't talked about like what an ionic or a
Well, we haven't
covalent
been
bond
doing
is?
anything. We haven't really been doing anything.
Dude,
with
what's up
bonds.
with you kids doing nothing in your classes, dude? What? I'm about to just like.
Listen,
I'm about to
Like,
tell the
Dr.
taxpayers
Gideon
just
I need
Diamond,
you
send
as a
Solubility.
teacher.
send me the money. Send me the money. Y'all come to my class. I'll teach you.
Wait, Charles, have you guys talked about
Let's see,
covalent
what
bonds?
Dude, he's just talked about bonds very briefly, but not covalent.
All right,
Yeah,
here.
I
I'm
don't-
gonna
yeah,
teach
not
him.
about
I'm gonna
bonds,
teach him to you. I'm
but
gonna teach him to you.
covalent.
Here. It's your
Yeah,
lucky.
I could be your teacher, Mr.
Because like
Yes,
on this like
thank you.
review
I mean,
guide, it's like saying, let's see, it says if you have unequal covalent charges, the molecule will be blank.
Polar.
It's non-polar. How am I supposed to know that?
It's supposed to
when
be
we didn't
polar.
say-
Here we go. Okay, guys.
Let me wait. Dr. Cold. A
Yes.
better one would be if you were to search up what's it called?
Yeah,
Periodic
electronegativity
table with charges.
with
Because you need to
electronegativity. Yeah, that would be the better one. Yeah,
I have a killer headache.
You have a what? You have a
killer
headache, dude? You have a headache from learning too
Yeah.
much, Grim? Okay, here we go. All right.
No.
He's like, no.
Next time, I'm not gonna hang out around people who have COVID.
Oh, well, don't get
Wait.
COVID, bro.
Oh,
wait.
God,
We
God.
talked about. Wait, I know one thing about the periodic table.
Yes, what do you
Where?
know?
Fluorine has the most electron electron negativity.
Yes,
is
yes,
it?
good. Electronegativity,
Gold.
right?
Fluorine.
Dr. Gold, can you make
And
Raiden
then-
shut up? He keeps bothering me.
Can I make who shut up? What?
Raiden.
Raiden's not saying anything. I don't know. Do what?
And then there's a trend.
Yeah.
So the
Yeah.
left side is not doesn't have too much electronegativity, but
Good,
the
good.
right side does have.
Okay, so
Yeah,
okay, so here let's go over let's go over the two things real quick here. Okay. So when you have a
Raiden missing something.
what are you guys saying?
Raiden missing something in common area.
Oh, okay. I don't care. This is office hours. I will deal with common area after office hours. All right. So in the periodic table, right? The periodic table can be grouped into like two areas, like here and here, right? Okay.
Yeah.
When you have a bond that's between something from this green area and something from this red area, that's what we call an ionic bond. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So if you have this, plus, here we go, plus this is going to
So
equal.
wouldn't it be a molecular bond with some of them?
Molecular
Because you have
bond?
like carbon, nitrogen.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Like
So,
a bond is like metal plus like,
right.
What's it called? I
No,
mean,
that's a
yeah,
covalent one.
molecular is
Or
like-
are you talking about a metallic bond?
No, like what's molecule bond? It's like where you have a non-metal plus a non-metal.
Right, so that's a covalent bond. That's what we're getting into here. So these are non-metals, right? These things right here.
Except aluminum.
Aluminum is like
'Cause there's like a
yeah,
stair.
there's like a staircase.
Yeah, it goes down by like a staircase.
There's like a
yeah.
staircase like this, okay? But yeah, all right. So I don't know. It's something like this. I forget what it is. Okay, but if you
No. It starts from B.
Yeah.
And then it goes down. No. Like from the top of B, right?
no, I think
No,
boron.
no.
Boron's a non-metal. I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, it's not. It's aluminum. Hold on, I have a. Where do you
I don't
leave my
know.
work?
Let's just
'Cause
say
I
in
was
general.
just
In
doing
general,
this topic.
in general, if you have two elements from the red side and they're bonding together, this is what we're gonna call a covalent bond. Okay.
Oh no, it's the green ones. The one that like green. It's called.
Oh, dude. Woo! Charles is awesome, dude, with the sub, dude. Thanks, bro, dude. That's fucking sick. Nice.
No problem.
Dude, sick,
Charles
dude.
is sub.
Yeah, Charles gave me a
Hey,
prime
wait,
sub,
but
dude.
wait,
Fuck
hold
yeah.
on, hold on. Are you a 3-month sub though? I didn't think so.
No, I'll take
Oh.
1 month sub. That's sick. All right, so okay, anything from that left area, that green with the red, that's an ionic bond. Anything that's two things in the red area, that's a covalent bond. You can't have bonds between two things on the green area. That doesn't happen. Okay. All right. So the difference between these two bonds. Okay. So ionic bonds. They steal electrons. Okay.
Yeah, they still electrons.
Okay. Covalent bonds share them.
They balance it out.
Yeah, they share the electron. Okay.
Because look, so what my teacher said
Uh-huh.
was so he made a diagram. So he had oxygen as like 1. Can you draw that?
Yeah, I can draw oxygen.
So and then he had two bonds of hydrogen.
Oh, so he's gonna do this oxygen bonding with hydrogen.
Yep, and then he did the sign, like the S sign. It
Mhm.
looks like an S
This is plus, and then this is minus.
plus, and that's a minus. So
Yes.
it's like partially.
Yes.
But then he drew one with 3 oxygen and there's like no charges.
3 oxygens and no charges? What? You can't have.
So he drew like 3 oxygens and then he said there's like no charges.
How
Oh.
would there be no charges though?
Actually, I know why. Okay. We got to go a little bit more into things. Okay. So, do you guys know about valence electrons? You know anything about valence
Nope.
electrons? No?
No, we don't.
Okay.
I think so.
Valence electrons are the amount of electrons in the outer shell of an element, and this is what you need to know. So this is going to be +1. This is okay. This is where like
+1, -1.
yeah. You guys are learning like in an odd order, but it's okay. Okay, here we go. Let's zoom the fuck out.
Oh, I remember that lesson. I remember learning that.
Yes, yeah. I've taught this before, Grim. It's okay.
No,
Okay.
I remember learning that
This
in
is
school.
no. Who the fuck is calling me on Discord while I'm teaching? Jack. Oh my god.
Accurate.
I'm gonna
Alright,
fucking ban Jack,
accurate.
dude. All right.
Please.
1 electron, 2 electrons, 3 electrons, 4 electrons, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's what you need to know. This is the amount of valence electrons. Okay,
I remember this.
valence electrons is the amount of electrons that are in the outer shell. So let's look, for instance, at salt. Do you guys know what table salt is? Do you know what the compound for that is?
Like Ca something.
It's NaCl.
Na.
Na plus Cl. Okay, cool. How many valence electrons does the sodium have on it?
1.
One.
One.
Cool. So you can draw like one electron here. Cool. How many
And then-
valence electrons does chlorine have on it?
7.
7. Good. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay.
And
Here's
they're on the most outer shell.
yes,
right?
that's the most. Those are the electrons that are available to trade, right? Those are the electrons that are the furthest away. They're the ones that can like move and whatnot. That's what we talk about valence electrons. All right. So, what type of bond is this going to be? Since we have something from here and something from here, right? Na and Cl. Is this going to be ionic or covalent?
Ionic.
Good. It's ionic. Okay. Ionic means that they don't share electrons. They just steal and like take them and whatnot. So the goal of every element is to become stable. And how elements generally become stable is they have 8 valence electrons in their outer shell. They're like anything in chemistry. There's always some fucking exception for like expanded octets or something. But like in general, you want everything to have 8. Okay. So chlorine, right, has 7. Sodium has 1. What do you think is going to happen?
It's gonna be stable.
Well,
And
what's
then
going to
we're gonna
happen
have
is
8.
this 1 electron on sodium
Will
is
go
going
to
to get
Cl.
stolen by the chlorine, okay? So that now this has 8 and this has technically 0, but whenever it has 0, it just means it bumps down to the next level, so now it has 8 again. I'd have to show a
I am
diagram
in
for
trouble.
Philip,
yes.
But,
is he gonna have the chart up for the test?
He doesn't need the chart. You just
I don't
need
know.
a periodic table is all you need. That's all you need.
Yeah, no, it's like a
No,
huge periodic table.
No,
on
we
the
have
side of my room.
never said anything with a periodic table though.
Dude, you absolutely need a periodic table to do this. Like
He doesn't teach anything about this.
anyways,
And it pisses me
this
off.
is an ionic bond, okay? You guys wanted to do... So, okay, here's the other thing. Hydrogen is technically over here.
What?
I know hydrogen's on the left side, but hydrogen is really, like, over here. I forget why they put it on the left. I think there's some other properties and whatnot, but hydrogen is really... Hydrogen makes... Well, hydrogen makes its own type of bonds. Hydrogen makes what's called hydrogen bonds. So, actually, like, it's its own special child, right?
Because
Why
hydrogen
is
is a
Jack
gas and
calling
it's in the
me?
gas column.
Yes, it should be over here, right? Yeah, okay.
Oh my god.
yes.
I would love to make a bond with you.
Oh, my God.
No.
All right.
Hey,
all
that's
right.
pretty sus there, buddy.
Yeah, I got 5 minutes. Let me roll this out real quick. All right. Okay. So you guys.
I gotta start up my game.
So Okay. So the next thing you guys do is so that's an ionic bond, right? So what happens is, chlorine, right, has 7. It's gonna steal 1 from sodium, so that chlorine now has 8 and sodium has 0, but really it has 8.
Mute your mic.
Yeah. Who's making a bunch of noise?
It's John.
John. Who's John? Oh, okay. He's okay. All right. Okay. So then we have covalent bonds. Okay. So covalent bonds are what share. These are elements that are both on the right side and they share. Let's have an example of one. Let's do like maybe you guys do like what is this? Nitrous oxide. Have you guys done this? Nitrous monoxide?
I did it in 8th grade.
Okay.
Oh yeah, monoxide. It's
Yeah, okay.
it's a molecular.
So okay, let's do nitrogen monoxide. Okay, so you guys can tell me. This thing's fucking big.
It'd be nitrogen and 1 oxygen, right?
Yes, that's nitrogen
So it'll
monoxide.
be-
Nitrogen dioxide would be nitrogen and 2 oxygens. Okay, how many valence electrons does nitrogen have?
That's 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 5. Okay. Nitrogen's gonna have 5 electrons on it, right? 1, 2, 3,
And
4,
then
5.
Oxygen has 6.
Oxygen has 6. Okay, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So what these guys are gonna do is they're gonna share their electrons between each other. Probably gonna do something. I think nitrogen oxide is it? One sec. Let me get a. I need a Lewis diagram for this. NO Lewis structure. Which one is it?
No God.
Yeah,
Oh,
I
man,
know. I
hate
know.
this
Well,
stuff.
okay. Nitrogen oxide's a bad example. No, it's actually not the worst one. Let me see.
4 and 4?
Von Lewis. Well, it's I picked 2 numbers that don't like work out super nicely. I'm trying to figure ones that do work out nicely. Oh, no, but that's dumb. I don't want that one. Oh, it's okay.
Thanks, Demented.
Yo, no problem. You're gonna need that.
Okay.
If you want, I can send you my notes.
Not working, bro.
Okay. Anyways, all right. Oxygen is going to be here, and they're going to have a bond, and they're going to share stuff. So let's see. 2, 2. So this is going to have 1 on it. And then this is going to be 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, good. This is how, like, for instance, you see how they share these electrons here is what happens?
Yeah.
Really, everything wants to have 8, but this is one of these cases where, like, not everything can be happy. So, like, the oxygen is going to, like, take a bunch of them. The oxygen is going to take all the 8. The reason why the oxygen ends up stealing, or not stealing, or, like, in terms of sharing it, having more of the electrons, is because it's more electronegative. So,
It's further right.
further to the right and further up. That's the trend for electronegativity. So, electronegativity refers to the how likely it is for
Sharing, like, how likely it will to take electrons?
how likely it is to steal electrons. Yes, is electronegativity. Or
Like,
yeah.
teacher says sharing, but I think it's more like stealing.
Stealing, it's more like, yeah, I mean, you know, how much, like, how hungry it is. You know, if it's like, you know, y'all are sitting down for Chili's dinner for 2, but, like, you weigh twice as much as your girlfriend or something, like, you're gonna eat her appetizer, right? You're gonna eat more of her meal and whatnot. So, like, you're sharing, but, like, you're eating more of it. And yeah, the trend for that is this way and this way. So whatever is higher up and further to the right, that's going to be the more electronegative element, and that's going to be the thing that takes more of the electrons when there's a covalent bond going on. Trying to
I
think.
want to bond with you.
I know you always want to bond with me, dude.
Hey, yo.
This is actually a good one. Here. Let's look at this a little quick. Nitrogen, oxygen. So you could have NOCl. This is an atom, for instance. Nitrogen has 5 valence electrons, right? 5 electrons. Oxygen has 6 valence electrons. Chlorine has 7. Okay. This is an example of not something that just has 2 elements, but it has 3 elements bonding together. And so these are also all going to be covalent bonds, because do you notice how all these things, N, O, and Cl, are all over here on the right? That means it's a covalent bond. If we had stuff from here and from here, it would be ionic, but everything's just from here, so it's covalent. So what you do is you end up like just like laying them out like this, okay? And what you want is you want everything to have 8 electrons on it, okay? So Cl has 7, right? Oxygen has 6, and then nitrogen has 5. So in order for stuff to have 8 on it, what I need to do is I need for things to start sharing. So what we could think about doing is we could say like, okay, let's have these ones share, right? Then let me think. Oh, okay.
Dr. Gold.
What's up, brother?
I stole something the other day.
You stole something from me?
No, from someone.
Oh, okay. Don't steal things from people. Okay.
A heart.
All right. You stole someone's heart. Okay. That's very nice, Grim. It's very nice.
Let me stop.
Wait. Is there a triple bond on this actually? No. Nitrogen has 1 lone pair. Oh, they do it this way. Okay. My bad. Nitrogen's in the center.
Oh, what happened to my? It changed me to another channel by myself.
Oh, did it? Oh, maybe someone moved you or something. I don't know who did that. Okay. Okay. This is what it is. Dun 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 dun. Nitrogen is 1 lone pair. Cool. Chlorine has a bond like this, and then dun 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 dun. Okay. This is what you guys will get into later. This is what's called a Lewis structure, which shows you where the electrons are between all 3 of these elements. Okay.
Right now, what I'm learning in biology right now is what's it called? The structure of RNA and what mutations are.
Okay. Cool. That's a little bit related, but this is chemistry. So, again, oxygen, right, is pretty is the most electronegative because it's the highest out of all of them, right? The height matters more for electronegativity more than the left right. Oh my God, Jack. Jack, I'm gonna kill you.
Ban Jack, ban
Yeah, I am
Jack,
gonna ban
ban
Jack,
Jack,
Ban Jack, ban Jack, ban Jack.
Don't fucking ban Jack.
This is the most electronegative, okay? Which means it's gonna. Do you see how this thing is going to like take more of the electrons? Like oxygen and nitrogen are sharing, but oxygen is going to end up stealing more of them, which means this is going to be more negative, okay? And if you look at the total number of electrons on everything, it's got to be 8. See how this is 8? It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nitrogen here also has 8, right? And then chlorine here also has 8. And so these are all covalent bonds. This is a covalent bond.
Me and you are a covalent bond.
No, we're not. We're no. What? You're a minor dog.
Yes, yes.
Thank you.
Yes,
Hydrate.
thank you.
Awesome. Appreciate
See,
it, dude.
Dr. Gold he deserves an award.
Age
He's
is
not
just
like
a
the rest
number.
of the teacher. No, no, Grim. Nope, nope, you're done.
All right.
No.
So there's 2 covalent bonds, guys. There's a covalent bond between oxygen and nitrogen. There's the covalent bond between nitrogen and chlorine. Okay, so we have 2 bonds here. You have oxygen bonded double to nitrogen. You have nitrogen bonded to chlorine. Don't worry if you don't understand why something's a single or double bond yet. You haven't gotten into that yet. You guys, your teacher is going through a weird order where like you need to know some of this stuff first before I can teach you the other stuff. But we'll try and make it simple for what it is. Okay, so Charles, in these 2 bonds, oxygen and nitrogen and chlorine, okay, which one is going to be the positive one and which one's going to be the negative one?
Positive in nitro to chlorine is nitrogen, and then the negative is chlorine.
Good, exactly, good. Let's see, is that right?
I am the negative.
Actually, which one's more electronegative though? It's nitrogen or chlorine? I think nitrogen. One sec. Electronegativity.
Charge.
Periodic. Yeah, I need to see it. I need to see the actual electronegativity. Okay, yeah, you're right. Chlorine is more electronegative. Yes, good. Do you guys see where this comes from? There's also a table you guys can use.
Yeah.
Because he should give that to you, but
Yeah, we didn't get that.
Right? One second, let me copy this. Copy image. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So chlorine has a slightly higher electronegativity than nitrogen, right? So that means this one is going to have one's going to have more of the negative charges. This is going to have more of the positive. And then between oxygen and nitrogen, oxygen is going to be the more negative one, and nitrogen is going to be the more positive. So when drawing like your diagram or whatnot, you would always put like this is plus, and then this is going to be minus, and this is going to be minus. And this is why it's polar. This is why it's a polar molecule. Something has polarity when it has different charges on it. Trying to think like where that comes from. Like the North and South Pole. You know how like the North Pole and the South Pole, you know, like a plus and a minus kind of type thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Also like polarized, like our country is polarized, the news is fucking polarized because like you're either a libtard or a racist, like it's left right. You know, that's polarity, right? When there's like very big swings between like 2 things.
Did you just say a libtard?
I don't know. That's what people just yell at each other. Like they call each other snowflakes or I don't know, Republican. I don't know. Everyone comes up with like some stupid name for like calling the other side. It's dumb. I don't like it.
I do.
Okay. Anyways, okay.
I found names for myself.
I probably have to go now. I probably have poor Al Prince is probably waiting outside my place right now. Okay, cool.
Al
awesome.
who?
Al Prince, he's one of the TAs in our
you
Discord.
fucking whore! You just sneezed all over me.
God damn it, Cypher. Cypher, please
What did
don't.
I just, bro?
Cypher, please don't say that on my Twitch. I don't want to get banned, bro. Please, like.
Sorry.
Yeah,
Fucking dog sneezed all
if
over
you're mad at your dog, fucking mute yourself, dog. All right.
Dr. Gold, you're leaving?
I do. I gotta go. Anyways, love you guys.
Okay,
That was
wait,
Office
before you go,
Hours. Hope you guys
I'm
learned a
gonna start
lot
streaming.
and whatnot.
before you go,
Play
everyone
Fortnite.
remember this. Remember this, guys.
Remember what?
This is the motto of the server. Sex is temporary. Education is forever.
That is true. Sex is temporary. Education is forever. Maybe we'll make
That
that.
is the new motto of the server.
Maybe I'll make that the
Alright,
model somewhere.
Who's gonna
They
play
know
Fortnite
that-
now?
All right. If you guys want to play Fortnite and whatnot, Mechanical, are you streaming already? Because that's the only way I can raid you, dude. You have to be streaming right now, and I have to go
I'm
soon.
gonna stream in 3, 2,
2, 1. Yeah, start it.
now.
Start it so I
playing
can.
Minecraft.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm playing Minecraft right now. I'm on Minecraft. I'm going on to Skyblock right now.
Let me see, Mr. Mechanical.
I better leave
Huh?
before you do.
Okay. Anyways, thank you guys for joining. Next office hours will be tomorrow, and that one's gonna be at 4 p.m. Pacific time, 6 p.m. Central, 7 p.m. Eastern. Make sure you check out the Discord. You can type !Discord in the channel. Thank you everyone who I think we had like 2 subs this channel. That's fucking sick. Thanks guys. Follows and everything are great too. Just hang around. We'll be learning lots of stuff, winning cool prizes. I promise I'll play with you guys tomorrow. And so we'll do that. Anyways, have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.